let's talk about a couple other things. Um, in fact, if you put it back on screen share, we'll just do a couple other things. We've been talking about two things, Chat GPT, and we've been talking about the GPT specifically for Sparks Media Group. But there's also other GPTs, and I thought it might be helpful, Tom, if you could, if you could go back to here, then go to Explore GPTs. And one of the ones that I find super helpful, and again, there are probably hundreds of thousands of GPTs that people have created in various categories of writing, productivity, research, programming, education, lifestyle. It really is insane of the number of GPTs that do something specific. And so I want to give you an example. Is I had a need to there was a long video and I didn't want to, in fact, Tom, I think what I'll do is let me take you out of here, let me take you out of screen share. And I think I'll go share my screen. And let's see. And maybe you'll comment on as I do this. I'm going to go into Chat GPT, go into Explore GPTs, and I'm going to search for YouTube. Because I like to, in fact, let me not go so fast for everybody. When I typed in YouTube and I was interested in summary, this one I can see has had 1 million views. This one has had a 700,000 uses. This one has had 300,000. This one has had 25,000. So sometimes what you might want to do for quickly is to say, well, this one's already pretty popular. I'll go select that. And then I'm going to take the URL for a video from a WGAN TV Live at 5 show that Tom and I did not too long ago for Matterport 2024 fall release. Go back in here, generate a summary for your YouTube video. It's going to probably ask me in a second to provide the link. I'll go provide the link. So now it's summarizing this video. And I might use that summary for a description of my YouTube video. It's giving a lot of other information here, which is kind of interesting. Down here, it talks about, would you like to write an article based on that knowledge? It's really crazy. I'm actually interested in the transcript. So let's see what happens when I type in transcript. It's pretty long, so I'm going to say first 5 minutes with time code.
I watched an 1.5-hour interview yesterday, and I didn't think to use the summarizer for that, but it would have probably came in handy.
Yeah, Tom, I do that sometimes. I go, oh gosh, that video, that it looks like it's going to be really helpful. It's a 1/2 hour long. I just don't want to spend I don't know if I want to commit to watching a 1/2 hour at the moment, but I can have ChatGPT or the GPT summarizer summarize it for me first and say, oh, did I get enough information? Yeah, that was fine. Now,